Are their eggs any different from any other?
They're smaller, but they have actually a bigger yolk inside, which is really weird.
Cole, don't throw it. Don't throw it, Cole. Cole.
Do you want to go over and see the sheep and the lamb?
Stop throwing.
The lamb. No. The
Whoa.
sheep and the goat. Stop it, Gretchen.
Cole.
Where's Nia? Oh, there she is.
Pet the chicken with your hand. Gentle.
She's really fun in my tiny powdered milk. Cole, come here.
All he wants to do is catch the birds.
Cole, you want to give the cows some milk?
He loves the birds.
You want to give the cows some milk?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, she drinks it pretty fast. And then
Wow.
when it is gone, you're probably going to want to run out of here. Because you see that slobber on her? Cole, do you want to hold the bottle? Come over here then.
Let's let her slobber on Cole. No, just kidding.
Nice, Gretchen.
Nia, step aside for a second.